Welcome. This is Kathy Passeri from the Center of Instructional Technology and Online Learning at the University of Maryland Eastern Shore. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to log into Blackboard Collaborate for your course and how to create a session. First, navigate to Blackboard, navigate to your courses, and navigate to the course which you want to go to Collaborate Ultra. In each Blackboard course, in the course menu here on the left, you will see a Collaborate Ultra link. Click on that and this will launch Collaborate Ultra. From here, you will want to create a session. Click on Create Session, type in the name of the session. Think about the name you want to set, because if you are going to be repeating it, you don't want to put a day or a date here necessarily, unless you're just going to say Monday's class and you're going to repeat it only on Monday. Once you put in a name, the anonymous dial-in option will be available and you can turn that off. I'll show you that later if you want to do that. If you need guest access, you can check this. Note that your students are automatically participants in this course. You do not need to have guest access turned on. This is just if you are going to perhaps invite a guest lecturer or something like that. Then we're going to scroll down a little bit further. Set the start time and the end time for your session. This session might be at tomorrow, Friday the 20th, at maybe my class starts at 9 a.m. and then I can set the end time. If you're not sure how long the session is going to go for, you could always put this no end to the session and then go and close it off. If you wanted the session to repeat, say weekly or something like that, you can click the repeat session. You can repeat weekly. If you want to do it every week on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you could select these and you could end it after a certain occurrence. So if you want to continue working through to the end of the semester, you can say it's going to finish on perhaps May, can't remember the exact last day of the semester, say it's going to be May 15th. I could do it like that as well. Then early entry is how soon before that 9 a.m. start time do you want the link available to your students and to yourself to be able to get into the session. And this is good if you're going to upload some PowerPoint files or anything like that. You don't have to provide a description if you don't want to. Now let's take a quick look at the session details. So you'll see that by default, your attendees are a participant, presenter, or moderator. A moderator is the highest level. A moderator can promote people to presenter and participants. A participant can just view and share audio and video and chat if you allow them down here. A presenter can share their screen or present a file. Recording, you can check this if you want the students to be able to download any recordings that you do. Anonymized chat messages is good if you think you might have some shy students in your class, or if you don't want students to see each other's messages and to start privately chatting. And then here you can say participants can share audio, share video, post chats, and you can always go in and change this later on while you're in a session. Here is the allow attendees to join using a telephone. If you uncheck this, this is where it will remove the session phone number to dial in. And sometimes that's good to have that, but you want to ensure that your students are looking on a screen as well if you're going to do a presentation. Private chat, if you've got participants can only chat privately with moderators, that's to discourage them from chatting about other things other than class amongst themselves. And moderators can supervise all chats. And going back to making the anonymous chat messages here, the instructor, who is always the moderator, they can always see the names of the people who are doing the chat messages. Just the other participants can't see who they are. Once you've done this, just click save. And here are all your sessions if you've done multiple classes, and you'll see not started. That is how you can log in and create sessions in Blackboard Collaborate Ultra within your class. Thank you and have a great day.